Whipstitch is a form of an overcast stitch, and it's called so because you go over the edges when you sew them. You start by sticking your needle in straight, and then next one you start over a bit. I'm going to use this stitch as an sort of a zigzag like you do on a machine to just make the fabric not unravel. So I won't care so much about how it looks. It's mostly for the use and show you how easy it is to sew it. If you have a thin fabric, you can use this stitch as an edging, but then you sew them more carefully and tighter together, not so far apart. Whipstitch is also used to sew pieces of fabric together, so it's not only to keep the fabric from unraveling. It is quite a long bit here, so I have to take some time here while sewing. And here I accidentally lost the thread in the needle, so I'll show you again how to thread a needle as a bonus. When you use it like a zigzag, it doesn't matter that much how the stitches look. I just don't like it when they go in a cross. So I try to get them all in the same direction. And soon we are going to come into the finish. And to finish and anchor the thread, I do as I mostly do. I take the thread, go through the loop, and then pull, and do that a couple of times. Like that. And here we have my quite messy whip stitch, but it's okay.